How to change SIM card on iPhone without damage. By following the guidelines, you'll enjoy seamless connectivity, reliable internet access, and a hassle-free experience with your iPhone. Part 1. What to do before changing SIM card on iPhone. Trick 1. Check if iPhone is carrier locked. Trick 2. Turn off your iPhone. Trick 3. Copy contacts on your SIM card to your iPhone. Trick 4. Ensure the SIM card is compatible with your iPhone. Trick 5. Back up your iPhone to a computer. They have disadvantages such as poor efficiency, limited storage space, and even inability to work. Therefore, picking a hassle-free third-party program is imperative. Here, you are advised to pick the professional Mobikin Assistant for iOS. Wonder how to use Assistant for iOS to back up your iPhone content to a computer for easy restore? Step 1. Start by downloading and installing the smart software on your computer. Step 2. Choose the specific ones you wish to back up. Step 3. Then, click the Export to save the data. Part 2. How to change SIM card on iPhone. Removing and inserting a new iPhone SIM card on an iPhone is straightforward, but it requires a SIM ejection tool for the removal. Additionally, it is vital to ensure that when you insert the card back into your iPhone,